This is a piano tutorial for the Mamas and Papas tune, Monday, Monday. I'll show it to you as a soloist. Starts out with this thing at the beginning. It's a G chord, D, G, B, with a G in the bass, C, C, E, G, C in the bass. Does that a couple of times. Then your fifth finger is on a C. Fifth finger on C again. Fifth finger on C again. Put your thumb on that G. Third finger there. Then you put your third finger on this D. Third finger on that C. And then the next part, you got your third finger on that C. It goes. You don't usually put your a thumb on a black key, but you got it there. Fifth finger on F. Third finger is C again. Put your thumb on that C so you can go up to F. And that gets you to that. So that's your right hand fingering. The chord's going to be a G chord. Put a C chord, C, E, G. On Monday there's a G chord. C. And that's all going back and forth between this G and this C. D, G, B, C, E, G, C. So you keep that finger. There, F, A, C. There's a B flat chord, F, B flat, and D. And then a D chord, D, F sharp, and A. And a G chord again, G, B, D. This A flat chord, which is E flat, A flat, and C. And an F chord, F, A, C. Another A flat again, E flat, A flat, C. F, F, A, C. D chord, D, F sharp, and A. So that's the chords. Work on it hands alone, and when you put it all together, this is what it sounds like.